Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Cece. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification. I'm just off to the gym today, and I just wanted to share with you my lower body workout. Well, part of the exercises that I do when I do lower body. I normally go to the gym about 5 times a week, and then in between I'll do some yoga or I'll do a walk in the park because I just like to be outside in nature. It's raining. Oh. So I've just got in and I'm changing my shoes because I was wearing waterproof trainers, but they still have a little bit of water because obviously it was raining. So I'm changing to another pair of trainers. I'm just going to share part of my leg day routine. It normally takes me about 2.5 hours to go through it, so I can't really record the whole 2.5 hours. So I'm just going to share a few of my of the exercises that I do that help to build strength and endurance, and also, you know, it's going to include squats, leg press, leg extensions, and also high intensity interval training, which I normally do on the Stairmaster. Seeing as there's no one here, I might as well show you a little tour of the gym changing rooms and also the showers. Normally I just have a shower at home because I find that these showers are not as hot as I like my showers to be, but then obviously I do have an option to shower here if I want to do so. Just getting some water, and then I'm going to warm up on the treadmill, and guess what? There's free oats. I love porridge, by the way. So normally I'll just warm up by walking on the treadmill on an incline, just to get my blood pumping and ready to hit those weights. Sometimes I also warm up in the spin bikes. I just normally increase the resistance, and then I just do a few minutes, typically about 10 to 15 minutes, just to get myself ready for weight training. My workout mainly consists of weightlifting, and you know, weightlifting is really good for both men and women. It's good for boosting strength, improving balance, and also building lean muscle. Resistance training not only helps with muscle development but also supports joint health. It's good for your metabolism and your overall fitness. So whether you're looking for leg day motivation or new exercises to try, please make sure that you watch the full video. I'm sure you'll find something useful. This video is for everyone, and let's hit that leg day workout. Working out is not just about being fit, but it's a powerful way to cultivate discipline that can transform into all areas of your life. Committing to a regular fitness routine requires consistency, focus, and perseverance, even on days when your motivation is low. So it's really, really important for you to have discipline. You know, discipline strengthens your ability to stick to commitments and follow through on your goals. And these are traits that are crucial for success in many areas of life. Exercise is not just good for your physical fitness, it's also incredible for mental health. Regular exercise helps to reduce stress by lowering cortisol levels and releasing endorphins, the feel-good hormone that boosts your mood and your energy. Exercise can also improve focus, memory, and overall cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain. For many, exercise becomes a form of meditation, offering mental rest and a chance to be present in the moment. A chance to clear your mind and also combat symptoms of anxiety and depression, fostering a sense of accomplishment and enhancing self-confidence. So whether it's a rigorous gym session or a calming walk in the park, working out is a very, very powerful tool for your mental well-being. So I'm just doing my squats. I like to stretch in between my sets. And then obviously I have a proper stretch at the end of my workout. But I'm just starting with the squats and the bar. The Olympic bar is actually 20 kg and I've got 10 on each side. So this one is actually 40 kilos. There's so many benefits to leg workouts. They are really good for building stronger legs, which supports better overall performance in sports and also in daily activities. They are really good in increasing bone density, which is crucial for preventing osteoporosis. And just in general, strength training aids in burning calories more efficiently. It also helps with weight management. There's so many benefits to leg workouts, to be honest. It's good for joint health, it's good for stamina, it improves balance. There's just so many benefits, I couldn't list all of them. So let me get on with my squats. I am now doing my 50 kg squats, which is 15 kg on each side plus 20 kg the Olympic bar. I'm intrigued by this new machine, which is the Booty Builder. I've seen these machines in other gyms, but they've just put this in my gym. But I don't know. I think I might just, I don't know if I should try it or just stick to my Olympic bar when I'm doing my hip thrust. Anywho, I'm just going to jump onto the leg press. After this, I did my leg extension and my walking lunges. Obviously, my full workout is about, well, the leg workout normally takes about 2 hours, and I didn't film the whole thing because I felt like it was going to make the video very long. Plus, I just wanted to concentrate on the workout. Maybe one day I might do a live workout where you can actually see the whole workout, and let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to do that. And then last but not least, I have to do my high intensity interval training, which I do on the Stairmaster, and it's the last workout, the last exercise that I do before I stretch. After that, I just come to the studio and I do my stretches, and then that's my workout done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification, and see you in the next one.